Wake up. You okay, right? Do you have to speak that way? Why do you change your voice?
Traditional.
Why?
Yeah.
So can you do you think it's okay if I film? Film?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
It's okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, yes. So when do you think you come to Korea one more time?
Yes, I think after giving my exam, I will come.
Oh, Persian music.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Filming new things.
Me? Okay.
Okay.
You know, just.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, hi,
This
hi.
is my best
Hi.
friend, my
friend.
sister, my mother.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yes.
안녕하세요.
Yeah, 안녕하십니까. Thank you for inviting me here today.
it's okay.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, who's this?
That's me.
Okay. You study English.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Collocations. That's killing me. Collocations.
Yeah, and.
You only study English, not Korean, huh? What are you cooking?
I'm cooking Iranian traditional food. It's called zeresh kolo.
Oh.
Yeah, it's. I hope you like it.
제레시 폴로. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, ice americano. Thank you.
No. Okay.
Feel. You want me to feel?
Wow.
Okay, Persian style ice americano. Thank you. I like it. Just okay. First, there are a lot of ice. Okay, pass. Oh, I love it. Wow, I like it. Sevda, your name, right? Yes. It's really good. Really good. Wow.
Very good at
Coffee?
making coffee.
Yes.
I hope you enjoy it.
Yes. Thank you so.
Because
Did I?
I like cafe and you
Yeah.
without breakfast and please with
Oh, what do you call
Yes.
this? What do you call this? Name?
Kluche.
Cliché?
It's traditional.
Cliché.
Kluche.
Cliché?
Yeah, kluche. It's kind of like cookie.
Yeah,
Yummy?
good. I can taste the ginger.
Yeah, ginger.
Has
the
Mm.
ginger.
ginger. Yeah. It has a ginger.
It's just like a gingerbread. I like it.
Enjoy.
I like her overaction sometimes. You know what? Like seeing her and then talking with her sometimes, it feels like she's Korean. Right, so, what do you want to do in Korea? Say once again.
Okay.
Why do you want to move to Korea?
Actually, I want to move to Korea. At first, I want to study Korean language at Korea. But I think it's a little bit expensive for us, for Iranian people.
That's for everyone.
Yeah.
Even my country people too. Yeah.
Yeah. So I decided to learn Korean in my country
Mhm.
a little bit because I hear that some people told me that most of the Korean people can't speak English very well.
Right.
I get that degree. I have a plan to be an English teacher in Korea. I don't know. This is your place.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Wow. Merci. Yeah. I just don't know what to react. So.
I'm sorry. It's just normal.
No. What do you mean?
Normal. I mean,
Thank
sorry.
you so much. Don't say that, please. It's really good. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh.
It's Iranian Tabrizian soup.
Yeah. Any
It's fish.
name for this?
No, just normal kind of vegetables
Oh.
with chicken meat
Oh.
and oil. Namak, neydi?
Salt.
Salt.
Pepper.
Add. Yeah. Do you like pepper?
Oh yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
Because I like to.
Yeah. I can taste chicken and then I can taste many like vegetable. A little bit sour too. Yeah. It's unique. It's unique. I've never tasted this kind of soup in my life.
Yeah.
But I like it. Oh, it's okay. I'm a pepper person. It's okay.
Korean person.
Oh, love it. Oh.
Okay.
Eat this thing too. Korea. We make it. We call
You
it.
wanna taste this?
We call it 누룽지. Yes.
Really
Small
yummy.
one?
In Korea,
Same. Exactly same. It's
Really?
we call it 누룽지. 누룽지.
oh really?
Exactly the same. Is it chicken?
Do you like chicken?
Yeah. Korea is chicken countries.
Yeah, here
Republic,
that
chicken
Korean
republic.
chicken is so delicious.
The chicken is the same, but I think the sauce.
We should taste it and
You know what? Korea is the country that kills the chicken the most in the world. We have to be really guilty for chicken. We kill them a lot. Oh. Thank you. Wow. Looks really cool. Wow. No, don't give them too much. You have to share with everyone. Why did they eat dinner in the lunch earlier? Thank you. What?
Because all of this for you.
What?
It's more.
Thank you. I see. Yeah. So I'd like to know about the manners. You guys have any specific table manners?
Yeah, we have the same culture here.
Yeah.
For example, I hate if someone next to me and eating something, her mom, I hate sounds of moms like,
Munching.
okay, maybe I hit them. Yeah, we have the same culture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can see. Yes.
Also, when we are laughing, we used to putting our hand next
Yeah,
to our
yes,
mouth.
yes. She made this.
Yeah.
Can you do this for me? She made this.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, thank you.
Oh my god.
You know what? I really like bracelet. I'm not just saying that. I really love this. Thank you. Wow, she made this thing.
Is
Wow.
that okay, please? Sorry.
Yeah. Tighter,
Yeah.
please. Now I get so many good lucks.
Okay. Is it
Thank
okay?
you. Yeah.
Okay.
Comfortable. Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, I like the color too.
Yeah.
I feel really guilty.
No, don't say that. Di eso se gonna cardan kan.
괜찮아.
I feel.
Don't say that.
What do I
She's
do?
so kind. She always brings me a lot of things like
Wow, gosh. Oh God.
This is for
Oh.
yesterday. I understand you really like it.
The cake. Yeah, it was really good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What is this? You eat this like as a breakfast usually?
Yeah.
마요 가져? 네.
Doesn't.
Cream cheese, not butter. Cream cheese bread.
Yeah.
Done? Done? Okay, and are you leaving this? Wake up. You okay, right? You okay? Okay.
Laugh.
You're weird. Oh, traditional
show-
car. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
traditional
will show this way.
traditional tree. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, traditional.
Nuts.
Oh, traditional bank, right? Yeah, nice.
알았어. This is a traditional.
Oh, are you okay wearing hijab like that?
No. When police see us without hijab, and we should write some paper about we never do again
Really?
without hijab.
Like a
After
student to
that-
teacher?
Yeah. Unfortunately, if we do this for second time or several times, yeah, we should go to the police officer.
Oh,
That's really awful. Yeah, I can understand.
but you have to pay something? You have to pay money?
Yeah, we
penalties?
should pay.
아이고.
Do you wanna go to inside?
It's okay.
No, we don't have time now.
Me? Yeah, hi. Hi.
It's speak with him and just she wanna take a video.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. So, do you know about Korea, my country?
I can speak Korean.
Oh, I like BTS. I like BTS.
yes,
I'm
me
army.
too.
I'm army. Yeah.
Me too.
Who's your bias? Who's your bias? Who do you like the best?
My
Jungkook?
favorite music
Yeah.
is BTS Butter.
Butter? So you like butter.
Like butterflies living undercover you.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Selena. What about you?
My name is Sevda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Merci. See you later. Merci. Take care. Where is that place?
This is the
It looks like a bazaar. You said bazaar's closed.
No. Another. No. Oh my god, this is an open bazaar. Closed bazaar.
So you can go then. I wanted to go to
Okay.
bazaar. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. I'll keep it. Okay, I'll keep it on. Sorry. I'm just I did that for fun.
No.
My voice is usually like this. Just huh?
Yeah.
Do you like Slavic?
Do you have to speak that way? Why do you change your voice?
I don't know.
Oh, it is like a CD of the book or something? CD of the book or music or
That's-
poets?
No, that's Quran.
Quran.
Iranian,
Yes.
religion,
Okay.
Islamic.
Oh, the mosque.
Yeah, mosque.
Wow. Nice. What do you call this mosque?
Center mosque.
Central mosque? So
Yeah,
pretty close?
Tabriz Central Mosque.
Pretty close, okay. So, what is the person there? Person who wears
That
like black.
person is our country's, that was made between.
I like your socks, by the way. I just noticed that.
Oh, my socks, thank you. Yeah, I really like socks.
Pinky? Okay.
So, yeah. Oh my god, something.
Wow, nice necklace. Somebody did that on purpose or what happened?
Story
Yeah.
was Silk Road.
This was a Silk Road in
Yeah.
history, really?
All of this store
Okay.
was really for trade.
Oh.
You know, trade some clothes and the food and a lot of things.
Okay, so what's famous in this bazaar?
Come, let's show you.
Don't say silk, okay?
No, we don't have silk. Just this name is silk.
Yeah. The bazaar, yes.
You know, Tabriz is really famous for nuts and
Oh,
no,
this is rokum.
lokum. Yeah,
Yeah.
we have in Turkey too.
Yes.
This is sujuk. We have in Turkey. Yeah,
Yes.
actually we have a lot
Sujuk.
of similarities.
And is there kum too? Kum?
lokum? What is that? Don't say that. That's bad word.
I know.
Really?
I know. I learned it.
taught
I learned it
you?
in Turkey. I told you. Wow! Look at the big potato. I like it. Bazaar. Yeah. So what about pitch?
800.
800?
Toman, yeah.
800 toman?
So cheap, yeah.
It's like
This is a 600.
really?
Toman, yeah. Cheap.
So your country is really heaven for a food lover. I mean the
Yeah.
fruit lover. I really love
Yeah.
fruits.
Yeah, we really like fruits, you know.
This, yeah, you get the sunlight, of course. This is good. Good environment to grow the crops.
Especially this we ate.
Yeah. I see so many perfume stores. Do you know why you guys have so many
Because the Iranian really likes perfume.
Iranian women?
Yeah, and the men.
Okay. But I only saw women's perfume. I didn't see men's cologne. Maybe they want their girls to use it, right?
Actually, yes.
Cinema, yeah. Looks nice. Traditional cinema. Yeah, really?
Just see the.
Shh. You're quiet. So it sounds like you don't have any like Western movies, only Iranian.
we have, but specifically in big mall shopping center we have.
But it's small cinema like this, no,
No, not
like
so small.
no Avengers.
No, not Avengers.
But big shopping mall,
yeah.
there is. Okay. Can we go to toilet? You think? Can we?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, just I want a number one.